Got one now.
I want one of them small ones. I told somebody need to be over here to catch this big one over here.
You know what pole was gonna get it.
Well, it shouldn't. It's supposed to be one of these other ones.
Our bait wasn't out there long at all.
You only got about a half a mile to reel that thing in.
No wonder y'all are getting out of breath.
Them white knuckles holding that pole, baby.
I think he might have a big fish.
It is pretty nice
I
fish.
think he's got it.
Uh-oh.
I said 69 pounds.
As long as it's 69, it don't matter. Man, I ain't had one full drag like that. I mean, he
84.
pulled drag, son.
Yeah, 84.
They might have just been an aggressive, smaller fish.
85. What's your best one so far, Cotton?
68.
That was your best one? 60?
Oh, no, my biggest one's 75.
75. Let's beat it.
He's coming at you now, ain't he?
75 on the rod and reel, Cotton?
Mm-hmm. I caught a 75, a 65,
Oh,
and a
up there in
50.
the Green River. You
50 in one day.
Right.
In one day, my
day.
goodness.
I remember now.
Well, Cotton, you wrestle him. How big is he?
I don't know. My line's never out this far.
All right, you've been fighting him a minute and a half.
It weighed 45, I believe.
No, it's home. It's home. Yeah, it looks like a snag. Let it go. Oh, good.
Are we getting close?
Uh-oh, there you go. Swing him to the left there for me, Cotton.
I do it, mister. Gladly.
If you can get him up here,
He's good.
be like Larry's. He sees that boat, he's gonna go crazy. He said this is where it's gonna happen. Look at the bow out rod. Whoa, 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 what we got later? He ain't done. He ain't done yet.
Oh, yeah. He's a big one.
I said 69 pounds.
There you go. Beat him both pounds. Good job, Cotton.
69. That's the same one LJ caught.
That is. He's done got out of live well, didn't he?
Yeah, it's a triple tail.
You haven't missing an eyeball over there.
That's a nice one. Yeah,
I
he
see
ain't.
what y'all said about your arm, though.
Yeah. Pulling in from that distance, it's where
Yeah.
it gets to you.
I usually got mine out there half that distance. Finally caught one, LJ. I brought it in anyway.
There you go.
I can't believe it.
Hold that net for me. I
Got you.
Let me, I need you to get this one on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Real quick. Yeah, just let him sit there and
No problem.
Reach over, bro. Get video that one in the net.
He drove that rod out of there.
Yeah.
Man,
Okay, Cotton. How's Cotton holding up? How's that arm, Cotton?
hard.
Hard, yeah. Yeah, it's
Makes your
hard.
muscles hurt. See, y'all had plenty of experience this last time, this time reeling them in. Biggest thing I've caught lately is 5 pounds. That's a little more.
Yeah, this old boy here's a big one.
Dandy, ain't he?
That belly,
Thing
right
right there
good.
is wore out. I got to get me a new one.
We got the gurney.
Well, you had a good day fishing anyway.
Yes, we
gotta
have.
call another one, you know.
Yep, it's been He's gonna be in the 50.
I'm sure it'd be 45 or 50. What I just guessed. Huh? He's big, round.
He's big.
Not very long, but he's big and round. Look how big that belly is on that thing.
think he swallowed an armadillo.
Swallowed something, didn't he? One thing about it, when he hit it, he took it down, didn't he?
He did.
That's why, because he's short and
Yeah.
fat. And short fish a lot of times will really rip some drag.
Have you caught any of those stumpies so far this year?
We caught one a week or two back. Might have been last week. He's got some kind of red rash going on.
Yeah.
Down here.
Got a leech or something in his mouth too.
I don't know if our hook did that. I guess it might have did. He's gonna be blind in his right eye.
The next one I catch
Left
won't be
eye.
about like that. If we catch any more. Let's say you go almost 50.
Lift him
There
up
you go,
there,
Cotton. Let's see what it weighs. 54.
54.
Not bad. Not bad.
Second place. That's why I let you have that one, Cotton.
Well, I
ain't big
appreciate
enough.
you want to be. Well, see, I wanted to wait till I got 169. I wish I hadn't even took it now. You know I'm lying though.
Cotton, you ready to get your picture, May?
It's your phone.
I can do that.
Right-handed, ain't you, Cotton?
Yes. Get that deal there. Take a picture of it if you would.
I'll get him, Cotton.
There we go, just like that.
Turn it sideways, get that fish in there. My goodness. That's awesome.
That is.
That's your buddy right there.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. Got it? Look at that. I'm not catching another one.
Yeah. Ain't no come out no more.
Where's that? Barry was here. He'd be in the floor of the boat, crawled up like a little,
crying, yeah.
crawled up in a ball, crying like a little girl.
That's the future of the sport right there.
You got that